Now let's take a look at the location highlights. So if you look at Google Maps, this is the location of Divine Space project. Let's zoom out once to understand where this project is located. This is Nalagandla, this is Gachibowli, this is Financial District, this is Kokapet, this is Kollur, this is Tellapur, this is Gopenpalli, and the area here is Usmannagar. So our project is in this location in Tellapur. So first let's look at the connectivity in these location highlights. The line you see here in blue is the outer ring road and the line you see here in white is the ISB road. This circle here on the ISB road is called the Wipro circle. So from this outer ring road and ISB road we can connect to our project in different ways. Here you see in yellow, all these roads are 100 feet roads. Among them, the road from Wipro Circle to Tellapur is called Wipro Road. Similarly, the road that connects to Wipro Road from the ORR Service Road is called Kanchi Gachibowli Road. The road next to this is called RR30 Road. The road connecting to Tellapur from exit 2 is called RR7. There is a 100 feet road connectivity from ORR Service Road to RR30. Furthermore, there is a 100 feet road connectivity to RR30 from this Kanchi Gachibowli Road. So, our project can be connected to the surrounding 100 feet roads in 6 different ways. The first of them is Pristine Estates. After we get here on Wipro Road, there is a road connection to Divine Space directly from this side of Pristine Estates. This is a 60 feet road. From here, the distance to Divine Space is 1.8 kilometers. If we go little further beyond Pristine Estates, we come to Mayfair Command. This is also a 60 feet road. This is where Mayfair Apartments and Mayfair Villas are located. We can connect to Divine Space from this Usmannagar on RR30. This is also a 60 feet road. This is being developed. From here, the distance to Divine Space is 2.1 kilometers. Next, you can also connect to Divine Space by passing through the 100 feet road and passing through Mupa's Indraprastha. A small portion of this is still need to be completed. From here, the distance to Divine Space is 2.8 kilometers. After this, what you see here is the Wipro office. The Wipro office has connectivity from both the sides. Both of these roads are 100 feet roads. The road on the right side of this office is almost complete up to this point. Remaining connectivity is happening. The distance from here to Divine Space is 3 kilometers. Similarly, work is already underway on the left side of Wipro. From here, the distance to Divine Space is 3.6 kilometers.